Hello dear viewers, welcome back again. Today in this session of part 3 of anti-HIV agents, we will discuss the drugs which comes under the class nucleosides analog of purine bases. The things which we have to remember over here while classifying the drugs is that this is the class of purine bases, but not single drugs exactly have purine base in its structure. So the first subclass of this category is 2' 3' dideoxyadenosine like analog. So the first example is didanosine. So here this is the structure of didanosine. Here you can see this is the purine base. So this purine base is not similar to the adenosine which we have studied in our previous class of nucleosides analog. So this is the structure of your didanosine. So how to memorize the structure of this didanosine drug then? So we have to keep in mind that in didanosine, the purine base which is attached to this pentose sugar is not adenosine, but it is an adenosine like, and this purine base is known by the name hypoxanthine. So this is actually a hypoxanthine, and this hypoxanthine is present in didanosine which is coupled with this pentose sugar. So why this drug have anosine as a suffix in its name? So the reason for this suffix is that if I put over here, or if I conjugate this nitrogen with pentose sugar which have dihydroxy group at 2' and 3' position, then the structure so obtained, whole this structure is known by the name inosine. That's why in this didanosine there is no hydroxy group at this 2' and 3' location. So dideoxyinosine. That's why the name of this drug becomes didanosine. Now the next class is 2' 3' dideoxyguanosine like analog. So here again the drug have a purine base which is similar in structure to that of guanosine, but this is exactly not guanosine but guanosine like. So here you can see this is your purine base, and in this purine base there are 2 amino group present, but in guanosine there is only 1 amino group present, not 2. So this is actually a guanosine like structure. Now the example which comes under this class is your Abacavir. And this Abacavir, the structure of Abacavir is this one, Abacavir. So the important things to remember under this structure is that there is no ribose sugar attached to this purine base. Here this ring is actually a not ribose sugar but a cyclopentene ring. So it have a unsaturation between this 2' and 3' carbon. So there is no oxygen in this ring. This is a cyclopentene ring which is present in Abacavir. So this Abacavir is actually a synthetic carbocyclic nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. This is what? Synthetic carbocyclic nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. So here finishes your nucleosides analog of HIV reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Now in the next session we will discuss non-nucleosides analog of reverse transcriptase inhibitor.